Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We proceed to example 10 for T. Sketch the graph of the function fx equal to x to the power of cube minus 6x squared plus 9x plus 2. Okay. So for the above below one, this one is a step for a guide to curve sketching. Okay. Find and plot all intercept. When intercept usually easy to find, by x intercept may require a calculator. Okay. So what should you do? First, you have to okay, fx equal to x to the power of 3 minus 6x squared plus 9x plus 2. We want to find the y-intercept. Okay, y-intercept x equal to 0, right? So f0 is equal to 0 to the power of 3 minus 6 0 squared plus 9 0 plus 2. So f0 is equal to 2. So y-intercept is equal to 2. Okay, settle. Okay, step 2, find all asymptote for rational function. Okay, so here, this one is fx, is a real number. Okay, so real number, okay, fx is a domain, right? Domain for fx is a real number. Okay, domain fx is a real number, so means that this one is negative infinity until infinity. So we know that there is no asymptote. Okay, asymptote. Okay, there is no asymptote for this function. Okay. Step 3, apply first derivative. Okay, we want to find the f prime x. Okay, so f prime x is equal to 3x squared minus 12x plus 9, right? Okay. So we want to find the stationary point. We know that for stationary point, f prime x equal to 0. So 3x squared minus 12x plus 9 is equal to 0 here. So this one can be factorized, right? So the x squared minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay. This one is equal to 3x minus 3, x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so x minus 3 is equal to 0, x equal to 3, x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1. Okay, here we already find the x equal to 3 and 1, right? Okay, then what should you do? You have to find the extremum point. Okay, to find the extremum point, you have to differentiate again. Okay, so f double prime x is equal to differentiate respect to x, which is a f prime x. So what is f prime x equal to d dx? Okay, 3x squared minus 12x plus 9 here. So this side is equal to 6x minus 12. Okay, here, so you have to substitute x here from the first derivative into this function. So f double prime 1 is equal to 6 times 1 minus 12. This one 6 minus 12 equal to negative 6. Okay, so negative 6 is less than 0. So when we say that less than 0, means that this one is negative sign. Okay, so when we need negative sign, automatically we know that this one is relative maximum point here. Okay, how about f double prime 3? Okay, 6 to the power of 6 times 3 minus 12. So 18 minus 12 equal to 6. 6 greater than 0. So this one is relative minimum points. Okay, minimum point here. Okay. Okay, then what should you do? You have to consider the sign of f prime x. Okay, each side of the stationary values here. So x less than 1. Okay, x greater than equal to 1. Okay, x greater than 1, x less than 3, x equal to 3, x greater than 3. Okay. So here x less than 1, you can choose x equal to 0. This one x equal to 1, x equal to 2. This one x equal to 2, x equal to 3, x equal to 4. So this one is equal, right? So x equal to 2. Okay. So you have to, this one is value of x, right? So you have to find the sign of f prime x. Okay, so what f prime x? f prime s equal to 3, okay, 0 minus 0 minus 3, 0 minus 1. Okay, here 3, 0 minus 1, 1 minus 1, okay, 1 minus 1. Okay, this one 3, 2 minus 1, okay, this one equal to 3, right? Okay, this one minus 3, okay, 2 minus 1. How about 3 here? 3, 3 minus 3, 1, 3 minus 1. How about 4? 3, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 1. Here. Okay, we solve this problem. Okay, what do you get? You will get this one is positive, right? So, negative 3, negative 1, so we get positive value. This one is equal to 0. And this one is equal to negative value. This one equal to 0. And this one is positive value. Okay. So, conclusion, this one is increase, right? Decrease, increase. So, increase, decrease, increase. Okay. Increase, decrease, and increase. Okay. So from the result, we see that x equal to 1 and x equal to 3 is a stationary point of f, okay, because equal to 0, okay. Furthermore, f prime x changes sign from the positive to negative, so positive to negative, negative to positive, okay. So means that we know that this one is a relative maximum, okay, this one is relative maximum, x equal to 1 is equal to relative maximum, okay. S equal to 3 relative minimum. Okay, we already find here, right? Okay, so you have to substitute the value of 1, okay, and 3 into the function here because we want to find the point here. Okay, as the f1 equal to 1 to the power of 3, okay, minus 6, 1 squared plus 9, 1 plus 2. So you will get equal to 6. Okay, how about f3? Okay, 3 to the power of 3 minus 6, 3 to the power of 2 plus 9, 3 plus 2 is equal to 2. Okay, so the point of the relative maximum, okay, is equal to 1, 6, and this one is 3, 2. So the relative maximum, 1, 6, relative minimum is 2, 3, 2. Okay. Next, what should you do? You have to find the inflection point. F double prime x equal to 0. So what is f double prime x? 6x minus 12 equal to 0. X equal to 2, right? So this one is inflection point. So you have to determine the value of x, okay, between 2 here. So x less than 2, x equal to 2, x greater than 2. Okay, let's say x equal to 1. X equal to 2, x equal to 3. So you have to substitute the sign of f double prime x. Okay, we want to find the sign of f double prime x. So f double prime x is equal to 6x, right? 6 to the power of 1 minus 12. Okay, this one 6 to the power of 6 multiplied by 2 minus 12, and this one 6 multiplied by 3 minus 12 here. So this one is equal to negative value, 0, positive value, right? Okay, so automatically we know that for the positive, okay, this one is concave downward. Okay, downward. Why? Because negative value here. Okay, this one is concave upward. Why upward? Because value is positive. Okay. So the sign of f double prime x shows that concave downward on the interval 1, 2, okay, and this one, okay, on the interval 2, 3, right? Okay, so here we know that, okay, x equal to 2 is inflection point of f. Okay, so when we substitute here to the f2 here, we want to find the coordinate or the point of inflection point. So f2 is equal to 2 power of 3 minus 6 2 squared plus 9 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So inflection point is equal to 2 4. This one is inflection point. Okay, inflection point. Okay, this one is we already find the stationary point here. Okay, so we want to sketch the graph. Okay, since we already find the inflection and stationary point, so automatically we know that our graph is like this one. Okay, okay here. Okay, this one is the 2, 4, which is the inflection point from the concave upward downward to the concave upwards. Okay, this one is the stationary point 1, 6, and this one is the relative minimum, which is a 3, 4, 3, 2. Sorry, 3, 2. So this one is our graph, which is the fx equal to x to the power of 3 minus 6x squared plus 9x plus 2.